Let's talk about the difference between a cold pressed juice bought at a local store versus a fresh raw juice that you make at home. So I just went to a local grocery store right in my area and I bought this cold pressed juice. Yeah, it looks great. It's got orange, apple, mango, pineapple. I mean, it's got all the fruits, right, that you think that are like healthy for you. Well, let's look at the ingredients. When I look at the ingredients, the first thing I see, it's loaded with sugar, and it is absolutely like a ton of additives and sugar that you won't get if you do a fresh juice at home. 51 grams of sugar. That just kills me. Zero fiber. There's no fiber in here. Let's see. 57 grams of carbs. Questionable, questionable, questionable. And then the other one is no iron whatsoever. So it's lacking nutrients. It's definitely has a ton of sugar that I would personally not recommend. But you know, if it's your last alternative, you know what? Hey, it's better than nothing. I'd rather you juice something than, you know, drink a, Diet Coke or something like that. That's worse. But if you had the option of this with a home fresh juice, you gotta go home fresh juice. Nothing beats that because again, you're gonna get all the nutrients. You're not gonna get the additive sugars. You're gonna get a ton of calcium. You're gonna get fiber, and you're gonna get everything that your body needs fresh. It doesn't even have vitamin D, something that you're gonna get when you're juicing from your vegetables and from your fruit. A cold pressed juice versus a home raw fresh juice made from your home, where you're actually seeing your ingredients, you're actually seeing what you're putting in, and it's coming from the ground. You're not adding anything, nothing artificial, nothing additive, no puree like it's in here, no corn syrup, nothing of that. It is like from the ground. You're getting the chlorophyll, you're getting the fresh everything straight up from the vegetables and fruit. I'm not saying not to do this last resort, obviously, you know what I mean? If there's no other option, then you could, but try to avoid it as much as you can, because yes, raw juice, fresh juice takes a little bit more time, but it's honestly the best thing you could do for your body and for your health. And listen guys, don't fall for the defense up, meaning like, they're trying to do all this marketing material to get your immune system boosted and things like that, that's gonna grab your attention to grab this from the shelf. Watch my videos about the immune booster shots that you could do from home that are gonna cost you less, and they're they have the antioxidants that you actually need. They're gonna help your immune system. All these juices have exceptional marketing, exceptional hooks to grab you, but there's nothing better than doing these things at home. I hope you found this somewhat educational and valuable, and if you did, please like and subscribe to my channel. It doesn't cost you anything.